Welcome to the Ohio Gardener YouTube channel. I'm an organic gardener in Southwest Ohio with over 50 years of organic vegetable and fruit growing experience. In 2016, I switched from in-ground gardening to raised bed gardening, and have enjoyed both much easier and more productive gardening. Not only much easier to maintain the raised bed gardeners, but much easier to have good nutrient-rich soil in the raised beds. Our native soil is heavy clay, and the raised beds are soilless mix, mostly compost, which grows much healthier plants. My back also appreciates the 18-inch high raised beds instead of working at the ground level. In addition to vegetable gardening, I enjoy flower gardens and landscaping. Periodically, I'll post videos not related to gardening, but the majority will be vegetable garden related. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. Feel free to post your thoughts and questions in the comment sections of videos. But remember, I only know organic gardening and have no experience with chemical fertilizers nor chemical pest management. Thanks.